Hey guys, today I decided we should visit this game. This was one of my games that I played earlier, and what I mean by earlier, I mean like a couple years ago. I don't know why I didn't make a video on it, probably on the channel back then. But yeah, they got new updates, and I'm just here to visit one of my favorite games. So yeah. People, as we can see, we had 8 players, and now we only have 2, and now we have 1. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump in and see what we're working with. Yep, definitely something that's not new. And nobody survived. How sad, and yeah, I'm not sad. Because I honestly don't care. Sky Sanctuary. I remember some ways to cheese this game, especially on this map. And I always loved this song. People will always jump behind, but I'm not going to risk it for some weird reason, even though normally I would. It's just bad. Okay. What do you think will happen if you fall and then you're in the acid the whole time? Yeah, bad. That's all I'm going to say. So hurry up and get this, so I can go ahead and run along and leave all of you. This is why this one was kind of one of my favorites. It was old. It was always quick. I was the last survivor. That is sad. That is so sad. I don't know how I became the last survivor. Let me go ahead and get this. Ah! Got it. Oh, I got that one too. Ah! Go. Because I know what you do. I'm doing. Okay, I'm pretty sure that was unnecessary. I had to, because I didn't want to get nasty. So I just had to be dramatic and do that. I understand if I hurt y'all's ears, and yeah. But anyways, forget that. Back then, I always worked on this. Go. I'm gonna be the first one in there. No, I hate it when it always happens to me. That always happens to me. Every time I rush it, I jump up, and it doesn't let me in. What? Wait, hold on, what? What? Okay. That's odd. Get in! Hurry up, pumpkin! I was going to say something. If you were still down there, you're screwed. I don't know what to tell you. Because, a rescue escape? What do you mean? I'll go get this one. Go ahead and bop that one out while you can. I got it. Thank you. Yeah, y'all ain't taking my XP. Honestly, XP doesn't really matter in this game. No, get up there! What are you doing? Are you dumb? Okay. I got it. I knew it. Oh wow, somebody has to go around. Oh my god, that was so long. Hope it doesn't close on you guys. I kinda do actually. I wonder why it doesn't damage us. It just takes away some of our air. I mean, it's acid. It's going to hurt the way. So it should, shouldn't it take away some of our... Oh my god, no. Don't. no, no, not red liquid, not red liquid. No, please no. Come on, buddy. Go, go, and go, go. Oh, no, no. I didn't make it. Open on... What? So, yeah. I was the only one who saved the guy. And therefore... I died. So, lesson here, kids. Save people, even if they kind of risky, like... Sometimes. But do that when you're kind of older. Because... It will rather be the right thing to do, have integrity and stuff. Hurry up over there! Somebody, okay, thank you. Thank you. Oh, I almost fell down there. Jump, jump, jump. I was trying to jump over there. Just go get it. Thank you. Click it! Stupid! Okay. Oh wow, I didn't even see that. It was Yeet. Okay, go, 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 go with no. Oh, there. I can't see, it's dark. It's too dark. No, no, oh my god. They put that hole there for a reason. They did that for a big reason, and I know it. They would not. If I didn't see that, I would have died. I'm telling you, I would have died. And there was no saying that I would, because that was perfectly put there. And I didn't even see it. Somehow I dodged it, and then when I did dodge it, I finally saw it. But anyway, let's not get too far into that. Hurry up! Hurry up! Hey! Hurry up! Hurry up over there! Thank you. Run! Go, 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 go! Jump and jump and jump, jump. Billy bop. Billy bop, bop, skippy. Oh no! Oh well, it doesn't matter. That took a little bit of breath out of me. For a second though, guys. Just for a second, you know? It's just for a second. Bro, can you... Hurry up! Oh my god. Go and run and go and leave and go and say goodbye to this place for good. Because I don't want to stay here forever. My life doesn't... I don't want to be here forever. Hurry up! Oh my god. You're done. I'll do it. I'll do it because all of you are freaking chicken. Bok, bok, bok. Stupid chicken. Go! You guys are so freaking selfish. I do everything around. No! No, 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 no. Jump! Boom! No! Well, I was the last player alive, and we all died. All because everybody was being so selfish, not trying to do freak. Nobody but me. And then somebody who was trying to do it, okay, just died. Straight up. They failed us. And all because of that one guy that was sitting there, instead of just going and hitting the button. It was right there in his face. He was just like, I don't fail. See, that's him. That's him over there. Now, that's the guy. That's the guy being all selfish and only going for himself. Thanks to him, we died. If he would have just hit the button, we could have lived. We could have done it together. We could have made it out alive. Nope. Got to kill. So I hope he's happy with his decision. Get up there, boy. You better run. You better run. Run. Heh. Okay, that came a little too... Oh, no. I was over there playing games, and I understand that. People are probably just like, bro, stop playing games! Hurry up! It's taking forever! Yes, I was. Cave? Got... Oh. The ground kind of looks like water. So, I was just like, wait. What happens if we just stuck it? Bro, just hit it and go. You selfish freaks. You're a bunch of freaking freaks. Okay. I think it's still lagging for What the? Just hit it. Hit it. Do I literally have to come down? Okay, no I don't. Alright, just added that some slides in. Sliding. Oh, the pinga the organ. Ring of organ. Selfish! How selfish! Yes, the selfish person died. I like this song. Alright, hurry up, boy! You know what? He's gonna die. If he dies, I'm gonna laugh at him. I forgot how to do emotes. X-Men. Whatever. Oh, yes. I'll do it because nobody cares. Stupid. Get moving. Come on! Move! Bro, just get the freaking bonnet. Don't be taking forever with this. Move! Come on! Move it! Oh no! I don't appreciate it. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh, people. I literally almost died. Run and hurry up! Hurry up. The water is rising. It is rising, and I don't want to be the ones down there again. See, it's red. When it's red, it's not good. Ooh. Where are the others? It says 9 people survive. I almost said 4 and 5. Okay, rescue. I'll go rescue him because you guys don't need to. Come here, boy. What's this? Yeah. A lost page. That's new. The whole saving people thing is new, actually. I'll think about it. That's what you get for trying to cheese it. Man, now I want some Cheez-Its. Hurry up! Dang! Hurry up! Thank you. Run! Just go! I got it. Now, yeah, don't get in my way. Do not get in my way. If you get in my way, so help me. Hurry up! Hurry up over there! Knock. Knock. I'm about to kick this thing down. Hurry up! Bruh, this thing is rising. Hurry up! Run! Everybody go! Everybody run away! Everybody follow the leader! I'm the leader! Okay. Alright. Alright. I'll do it again. Even though there's kind of no point. I'm getting a little tired of hitting all these buttons. I'm pressing others buttons. Let's get out now. Good. Ooh. Run. Just run and never stop. Oh my god. Okay, just keep running. Forget the freaking lag. Hurry up! Bro, are you... Okay, I was about to say. Are you guys dumb? I'm just gonna stand here. I want to see how long it takes for it to get up here. Oh wow. Yeah, it takes it quite a while actually. Hey, donkey. You guys are donkey. All donkeys. You donkeys. You guys are being donkeys. Okay, good, it's not a rescue, because if it was, I kind of would have been mad. Just for a second though, guys, just for a second. And it's not a big deal. I mean, y'all don't act like y'all never got mad about it before. You sure have. Run, jump, hip, hop. Ready, bop. Just jump across. Oh my god, you guys are done. If I die, it's cool. Get it? Go. Go. Freaking stupid. All you have to do is jump across. Couldn't do that, could you? You care about your lives more than anybody else. So you just couldn't do it. Well, me. Oh my god, I almost fell. Jump through and... Okay. That one took like a minute. That took a minute. And a couple seconds. But hey, who isn't dead? Your boy ain't dead, that's who. I was over there just swimming up, swimming down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. Hey, hoi, hike. Bop. I'm over here bopping everything. Why do I always say bop? I bop too much. Oh my god, I bop too much. Bop. See, I still bop too much. I'm the bopper. I'm a bopper, guys. I'm a bopper. Bop. Give me you. Come here, boy. Yeah, I got you, fam. Don't worry, fam, I got you. Hurry up now. Didn't take it forever. Thank you. Let's not die here like last time because of you selfish people. Always thinking of yourselves. You know, thinking of yourselves is not bad to do. It's just bad when you're getting everybody killed. Yeah, it's bad when everybody dies. You know what? I'm going to take the time to visit my secret. Well, not really. It's not a secret for really anybody. Because if you... What is it? Come on. There. It's like kind of right here in the middle. There we go. What's this? Oh my god, I like this music. I haven't heard this song in a while. I can't breathe. How? Oh wait. I didn't know we could do this. Is it just, yeah, it's just on the limits. How do I, oh my god, how is anybody supposed to get up there? Dude, how? I make progress and then I fall. See, I always get to like right there. And then okay. Alright. I think I got a strategy. Have it propel me off like this. Yeah, I think that's my strategy. I don't know how long this video might be. Probably another 20-minute video because I'm wasting my time trying to do stuff that is nearly impossible. Okay guys, this might take me a while, so okay guys, so I don't feel like getting up there anytime soon, so yeah, we're going to, yeah, so like, subscribe, you guys basically know what I'm going to say next, so I don't think I have to tell you guys, right? Maybe I do, because you guys never do it. Who knows? Maybe I do, maybe I don't. So, I'll just see you guys in the next video. El Ciao-o!